Hi there, my name's Anastasia Rose, and I am a current graduate student at Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland, Ohio. And I just want to take a few minutes today to talk about some of the benefits of attending ADAA's annual conference, and especially about those benefits for early career people who may have not attended the conference before. So I've attended the conference 4 times now, and I can say that each time that I've gone, I've learned something new, I've met some new people, and I've really continued to strive for some of the goals that I'm trying to meet within being at the conference. So, for example, I have presented at a conference, I've met a future boss of mine at a conference, and there's so many opportunities that I've had to talk to current graduate students before I was one and kind of learn from their experiences, and learn what kind of questions that I might be interested in asking myself and others when I think about my goals. In addition to that, ADAAs has special interest groups or SIGs. That conference is a great opportunity to go to that first meeting that the special interest group might have, see what you're interested in, and from there you could join a monthly meeting that they hold via Zoom. So great opportunity to continue to connect with the leaders and participants of the special interest group. And the last thing that I'll just say is that everyone has always been so welcoming and friendly at the conference. I've been able to talk to some top tier experts that I wouldn't have had the opportunity to talk to otherwise. And I really felt like it was such a great opportunity to meet people, talk with people, and kind of really develop my research interests before attending graduate school. So I highly recommend attending the conference. I've had such great opportunities there, and I'd be happy to answer any questions.